just a little update, you guys. Oh my gosh, what the heck? I'm always having like a weird crazy hair day type of thing in the video, but just to update you guys, I ended up falling asleep last night, of course. So I showered this morning, packed this morning. Okay, you guys, so we just got here. I'm in the restroom. I had to pee super duper bad, but I wanted to show you guys how the little bathroom decorations look. They're super cute. Look at this. That's so cute. Okay, you guys, so now it is like 10 something, about to be 11. Everyone like went to go to sleep, so we're supposed to get up kind of early in the morning, I guess. I'm gonna set my alarm for like 6, if I decide to go to sleep, which I probably will, but I also slept in the car. So yeah. But I also do want to get ready before our other family gets here in the morning. But let me tell you guys. So also, I don't think you guys are going to be able to see this video obviously today, Christmas Eve, since I'm unable to get the footage onto my laptop and edit it, and as well for the Christmas one, because I thought I had my adapter to put into my laptop with my camera, and I don't. So then I had the lightning cable one for the USB, tried to plug it into my phone, and it said it was too much power. So I was like, oh. So then I was like, oh my gosh, wait, my camera has Wi-Fi on it. Well, it started working. I downloaded like 2 or 3 videos onto my phone from the app that sent over from my actual camera. And then my camera was gonna die. And I realized I brought USB cords just in case, because when we went to Louisiana, I didn't have a USB cord, but I had my power bank. I'm like thinking if I have my power bank, but I don't. And on my power bank, oh my gosh, my power bank, it had the USB port. So I brought all that. Well, I didn't bring a box this time. So I was like, oh, great. So luckily I had both my batteries with me. Well, then once I used the Wi-Fi thing, since that took a long time, my camera was gonna die. So I'm back to using my phone, but the only thing is I have a lot of footage on my camera from the drive over here, so I'm assuming you guys aren't gonna see this video and probably the Christmas one until my hair looks crazy. What if I cut my hair this short? Oh my gosh. Okay, no, anyways, yeah, you guys probably won't see this video until I get back home, which is Sunday, so yeah, I guess you guys will have to wait till then. I guess that's all for today. So I'll see you guys for tomorrow for Christmas. Good morning, you guys. Merry Christmas. Welcome back for Vlogmas day 25, the last day of Vlogmas, but I will still be posting, don't worry. But it's currently barely about to be 6 here. I woke up at like 5. I don't know why, I guess since it was already 6 back home, I was already awake since I usually wake up early for work. But I'm gonna go ahead and eat some breakfast, and literally no one else is awake except for us. So yeah. I'm gonna eat breakfast and then I'll go get ready and catch up with you guys. Okay, you guys, so I finished doing my makeup, just did kind of my simple everyday, a little bit more than my simple everyday makeup because I actually filled in my eyebrows a little bit more. And yeah, I usually don't wear this much makeup, but we're all good. So yeah, I had pancakes for breakfast. Everyone's awake now in the house, starting to get ready. We're supposed to eat and like celebrate open gifts at like 11 noon, I think. So I'm gonna start getting ready. So we got an outfit change in 3, 2, 1. Boom. Outfit change. So I remember the shirt I was wearing the other day, no, not yesterday's video. Okay, well, Vlogmas day 23, the reindeer van shirt, or if you watched my shopping haul, you saw what I got. So I actually have the pants underneath my jeans since they have holes in them and it's cold here, and I thought it would just look cute. And then, you know, I had to wear my merch shirt. And I had my other one, the peace, love, and happiness. Peace, joy, and happiness. Peace, love, joy, and happiness. There you go. But, you know, I just had to wear the Noelani one. So, yeah, this outfit the day. And then I got Vans on, black socks. Jeans are from Old Navy. Shirt, obviously, my merch. And the other pajama pants are from Vans. So now I just need to fix my hair, and yeah, honestly I was gonna braid it, but I kind of just want to leave it in a low ponytail, like fix this ponytail, but I guess we'll see what happens to my hair. So I'll catch up with you guys once probably everyone starts getting here, or probably once I start setting the table, because that's my job for today, is to set the table. So I'll see you guys then.
But you know what the funny thing is? There's a person who was sitting here saying that he was being pressured. Was the closest at one point.
Hey.
Really?
Oh,
I knew it. It was 3:15.
I was gonna say
So you would have had it, right?
I would have had it.
Had you not felt pressured?
I would have had it.
Would have had
So
it.
who got it?
So who got it? So over is Helen.
If you're over, you don't get it.
Yes.
Like this the Price is Right or something? You
highest,
should
I know.
the next highest probably
Alonso.
shouldn't have it. Alonso. 285.
So I want to I'll entertain him.
Alrighty, first call. You're ready.
Yeah.
It's a Merry Christmas wreath. Merry Christmas and a wreath around it.
Thank you. I need help.
I need to have it yesterday.
Hey you guys, so it's the next day after Christmas. I realized I didn't film last night to like close out the video. But like after we played games, I ended up getting another plate of food like once everyone was like leaving. We were eating desserts and just kind of like played games until, I don't know, we just got tired. I got tired super early here. It's an hour behind. Yeah, it's an hour behind, so it was only like 6 here and I was already falling asleep at the table. And then it hit 8 and I was really falling asleep at the table. Like I fell asleep. I was like on my arm falling asleep, but I had a really bad headache. So that's another reason why I didn't film very much in the evening, was I had a headache. I was trying to drink water. I don't know if it was like, I didn't really even have that much sugar. Could have been from the lack of sleep, I guess. Just because that night before I stayed up watching, or I was FaceTiming my girl and then I was watching Netflix, YouTube, kind of scrolled through TikTok, but yeah, so it's like 7 I think right now, or about to be 7, so we should be leaving soon. Yeah, so I started packing my stuff together, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you and your families had a wonderful Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Stay tuned because once I get home I have a lot of editing to do, so hopefully these videos, I'm hoping, will be out today for Christmas Eve and Christmas. And then yeah, I will be definitely still doing the what I got for Christmas video. That will probably be out tomorrow because yeah, I'm like, this video is already gonna be a little bit longer. No, but okay, well you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. As always, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay safe, stay tuned for whenever this video comes out and for the next video. Peace.